What's going on, everyone? Today's August the 7th, 2023. We're going to talk about Tron, and I know many of you may be worried about the Tron crash. Well, the price has gone down since we did our last video, but it doesn't go without saying that we did do a price prediction for Tron on July the 6th, looking for the market to go higher, and ever since that time, price in Tron hit our ultimate TP price right there on the 22nd, and now that is when the market began to go lower in Tron. I know you all may be worried, is this particular move over in Tron? Well, from a longer standpoint, like when I zoom out at this price chart, you guys can tell that maybe not. This market in Tron is still trending, and this is probably one of the only cryptocurrencies that is still trending this direction. It's still going higher. Okay, now congratulations to those who was able to bag the profit on our last video, 12.96%. That's how we play this game. Now, after that day, look at this, July the 22nd, that's when all the volume came into the market in Tron right there. So I don't know if it was Justin or somebody else. Was it CZ, somebody on Binance who held, a whole bunch of Tron, definitely came through and sold the market, because the market has then fell off the cliff. So this represents massive amount of selling. So even if when we do see price in Tron go back up, the buyers will have to go through this again. They will have to sell out, or I mean not sell out, but they will have to buy all of the Tron to where people were selling at these particular levels. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Here is Tron on the 2-day, and again, you guys can see that we're kind of finding a base or a bottom into the market in Tron, and that's because of this area right here. Okay, because we did the same thing on our way up to 9 cents in Tron right there. Okay, so the buyers came in on this 2-day price bar, market went higher. Those same buyers are now stepping back into the market in Tron right there around 7.5 cents. Those buyers need to continue to hold the market in order for us to see price in Tron go higher. Look at this on the 5-day chart. This tells me that the buyers may not be successful this time. They were successful back here mid-July. They may not be successful going forward because of this weakness right there, on top of this selling that occurred at that time. So I'm not bullish yet into the market Tron. The only way I would become more bullish is once I see this market on a daily time frame continue to hold 7.5 cents. Okay, so we're currently in the beginning stages of that, but looking at this on the weekly chart, I'm not too ecstatic to see the buyers hold this level yet. Okay, here it is on the 2 weeks. Just a better idea for you all to see the selling that came in on the prior 2 weeks. Here is Tron on the monthly. Okay, and I think it's a negative thing for us to see Tron trade below this level as well. Okay, so that would be a good thing if price was trading above 8 cents, but it's not. All right, so let me go ahead and do this because I'm actually through, and we're going to go ahead and play some weakness into the market in Tron. We'll look for price to go lower, and we're not going to be extremely weak right now because, like I said, there's some buyers here. But if we don't see the market in Tron continue to hold 7.5 cents, we need to see price bars like this. So let me go ahead and fix this for you. We need to continue to see price bars like this into the market in Tron for us to really become more bullish, because every time we see a price bar like this, the next day the market in Tron goes down, which tells me that there's still sellers in the market. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart and we'll be through. Okay, that first target obviously is right now, where the market buyers are holding price 7.5 cents. It's not that much, it's less than 1% move profit there. Then my second target for Tron It's going to be around 0.074. But then my biggest target is going to be all the way down here towards like 7 cents, 0.071, which is only 6.95%. Okay, so I'm going to keep this horizontal line here just as a reference to let you know that I did pinpoint this first closest area to where buyers are holding price. They need to do it. They need to continue to do it. If they don't, then this price prediction that we already created is going to become more and more relevant. Okay, so that is it. I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel to get more of simplistic understanding as to how price works and how you can potentially profit from the moves. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.